Hello. So this is my 300 transformer. From there, we have a connector to the first track on the outside. Then there are 3 connectors going from this outside track beyond that switch track, and then a connector on the inner track and a 3rd connector on the inside track, all on the left of that set of switch tracks. So basically, we have 5 sets of switch tracks. One, there's another, there's your connectors, there's the other, and there are your connectors. The rest of this layout is then all run on the power from those 4 connectors. So we basically have 5 separate tracks. My goal is to have the left handle run the inside tracks and the right handle run the outside tracks. The problem is now everything must be very quickly to get enough power to get that train up the trestle, etc.